So today we're going to be looking at how you can add a theme to your Google Chrome. If you look at my Google Chrome here, you can see the tab, the window, like the tab behind the Google is all like pinky with this palm tree theme, and the top bar has like a pinky vaporwave theme. So to do this, all you want to do is obviously open up Chrome and type in Chrome Web Store. As you see here, we have the Chrome Web Store right here. Just click on that. You're going to see we're here. Then just under extensions on the left hand side, you're going to see themes. Click themes, and you're going to see here there is a variety of different themes we can choose from. And another cool thing is you can also search for themes. Maybe you want something a bit more specific, you can search from. But for this video, I'm just going to choose this rose one because it's a bit different to what we have installed currently. This one's made by Google. Just click add to Chrome. As you can see, it's done. And if you don't like it, you can always just click undo there. And as you can see, there is the Chrome theme, not the Chrome theme, the rose theme installed on our Google Chrome. It's very simple. So I'll just show you the we'll just click undo, and we'll show you that you can just search for some themes. So if you search for the one that I have, you like that particular one, type in vaporwave, scroll down, and you'll see here there's the one I have. It says added, and there's the themes. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.